Hi, I'm Dr. Kyle Stanley, and I'm a dentist in Beverly Hills. Today I'm going to be answering the question, how much does wisdom tooth removal cost? So the difficult part with answering this question is that there's a wide range of costs with wisdom teeth. It depends on if they're impacted or not. This means covered by bone or tissue, the angle that they're coming in, the difficulty of them. All of these can change the fee of removing the wisdom tooth. Of course, if you have one wisdom tooth, it's going to cost less than if you have four. And the next thing is with anesthesia. So there's different types of anesthesia that you might need to get your wisdom teeth removed. Maybe just local anesthesia where you get Novocaine and you're fully awake, or nitrous oxide, or oral sedation. Most of my patients prefer to be sedated with what's called conscious sedation. This means we give you an IV and the patient will gently go to sleep. We'll do all the procedure once they're asleep, and when they wake up, they won't have any recollection of the procedure and they will be very comfortable. So unfortunately, it's difficult to answer this question because there's a wide range of costs. So I hope this helps, and I hope to see you soon.